Think your dog has kennel cough? I'm Dr. Mann. This is your 60-second checkup. First things first, don't worry. It's easily treated. Kennel cough is a highly contagious virus or bacteria. It's an upper respiratory complex, just like the common cold. Sometimes your dog is coughing really severely, retching up clear fluid, and we need to do some medical treatment for it. So if your dog's inappropriate, not eating, breathing hard, a more complex treatment plan might be needed. Your veterinarian will be able to determine this. Please be careful around other dogs because it's highly contagious respiratory disease. Call your veterinarian before going in the office, and don't go to the dog park or groomer as well until your dog is better. I'm Dr. Mann, and this has been your 60-second checkup.